Marking the location of the guy who hijacked Universal Petroleum's gun shipment.
They've been looking for these guns for days, and you find them in 5 minutes.
I have skills. You can set a route with your PDA's GPS. I'll walk you through it. Place a beacon on the blip. Good. Now you can follow the GPS. Steal the truck and take it to the UPHQ.
Get cover! Destroy the invader! The enemy is here! Enemy sighted! Attack! Viva Solano!
Tell Solano Carmona to send more troops.
Attack! Grenade! Here's the mercenary! The enemy is here!
There's so many of these guys. Well, one less now.
Shoot! You went behind that!
The guns are in that truck. Steal the truck and take it to the UPHQ.
The cargo!
Great! Stolen guns nabbed. Get them to the UP. Okay, now drive. You know, try and drive like a normal person. If you bang that truck up, you'll lose guns. The VZ called in for reinforcements.
Attack! What's happening around here? It's chaos. It's disrupting.
You're being followed.
What's going on?
Careful, VZ trucks are moving towards you.
Enemy soldiers sighted! Fancy! I'm injured! They steal our oil! Attack them! Hands up! We got crow! The enemy's here! The enemy sighted! Took the chance! We got crow!
Disrupting society.
Stay frosty! Enemy sighted! Enemy soldiers approaching! Enemy sighted! You know it's gonna look good for this. Stay frosty! Look! It's the mercenaries! Enemy sighted! The enemy's here! Enemy sighted! The enemy's here! Hostile chopper!
Damn it, heavy weapon.
The enemy is here! Enemy sighted! Enemy soldiers!
You're almost there. Keep moving.
I'm doing it! The enemy's here!
It's so cold here late at night.
Listen, I don't care, man. I'm just in it for the cash.
Enemy sighted!
This chaos is disrupting society.
Advancing! What's going on? What's
Nice
happening
haul.
around here?
Yeah, we'll need those guns.
Good job. Now go talk to Dr. Rubin.
Let me in. I got the guns you lost.
Who's asking?
Nilsson, I'm here for your boss.
Oh, right. You're the Merc Solano shot in the ass. Hey, thanks for the guns. But Dr. Rubin, you know, she's got us. Maybe she don't need you.
I'm not really the negotiating type. Let me in, or I kill you all.
Tell you what, do us one more solid, and I'll buzz you in.
I'm listening.
We need you to retrieve some high-end equipment. Classified tech, can't say much. The eggheads at our satellite facility whipped it up. Just get over there and tell them you're there for the Devastator. Bring it here, and we're square.
How many hoops do I have to jump through for these guys?
Just keep your eyes on the prize. Dr. Rubin knows about Blanco. This will get you a meeting with her.
Yeah, I love meetings.
The enemy is here!
They're sending you to a UP defensive position. It's in the middle of a hotspot where VZ and UP are duking it out. I've marked the man in charge.
I'm here for the Devastator.
Yeah, the Devastator. Right, over there.
I see it. Unbelievable.
Forward! The enemy is here!
Situation looks clear.
Stand down! It's
You
potato!
have got to be kidding me.
The enemy is here!
This isn't funny.
Well, I think it's pretty funny.
That's because you don't look like an idiot.
Hey, Matthias, where'd you get those hats, man? They're badass.
I don't get paid enough for this. Get the hell out.
I'm dead. Matthias, that's hurt. Just got me a ticket home. Danger about it. Hey, Slayer. Hot all the time.
Enemy sighted. The enemy's here. Pulling out.
Ooh, be careful. Might be more bike than you can handle.
It's like working for frat boys.
You wanted to stay and find Solano. That means you have to ride the little pink bike.
Hey, Merc. Nice bike.
That's actually kind of job done. Now quit your bitching and go see Dr. Rubin. Dr. Rubin doesn't seem too worried about the fact that the whole country's collapsed and her employees are being kidnapped.
Why would you worry? She's got her own jet. First sign of trouble and she'll be back in Texas.
The first thing you'll have to do is set up 3 listening posts so I can get a fix on the kidnapper's cell phone when they call. I've identified the best places for the listening posts.
What's happening around here? What's going on? I'm scared.
Behind that cutter! The enemy is here!
Okay, mercenary. This is you and Devlin. Universal Petroleum helipilot in the air and ready for your signal.
This is going to get hairy, Devlin. Are you ready to dodge air fire?
Sure, I get danger paid.
Very nice. Universal Petroleum has oh so generously given us a few support drops you can call in. Enjoy them.
What is he doing? Who is that? Is that Rodrigo? Clear the area! Moving in! Serpentine! They steal our bomb!
Excuse me.
Advancing! It clips us! Attack! I'm going in! Moving in! I'm going grenade! That! Who's driving that vehicle? No one on the down! Hold on! For the emplaced weapon! Cover me! I'm going for the emplaced weapon! Shoot! Advancing!
I need some kind of grappling hook.
I'll get on the 50 cal! Behind those boxes! Attack! Attack! Behind that building! Here's the mercenary! Kill the guard!
Need to take a break.
Larry, the NPC! Fancy!
I better get out before this thing blows.
Fire! It's attack! Moving in! Fire on the helicopter! Engage! Fire! Get that helicopter! Down! Engage! Get that helicopter! Attack! Fire on the helicopter! Get that helicopter!
There's so many of these guys. Well, one less now.
Get that helicopter!
More soldiers! Send some more! Come on, come on! Tell Solano I'm coming.
I'm going in! Advancing! I'm taking the car! I'm going in! Behind that building! Behind that structure! Advancing!
Always counting on me to come save your bacon.
The enemy is here! Fire on the helicopter!
That's one post. Good job.
Oh, I thought you said it was going to get hairy. Bring it on.
So, Fiona, that's how it works? I call this Irish guy and he brings me whatever I need? How come I don't have an Irish?
Well, we agreed to work alone ever since Montenegro. But if you're up for expanding the team, I'll see what I can do.
What's happening around here? Advancing! Zap! He's driving that vehicle! Cover me! I'm
blown up the whole neighborhood.
On my way. Try and stay alive until I get there, eh?
That's another post. One more to go.
What would you do without me?
Fiona, what's the story? When do I get my own Irishman?
I had a lead on a pilot who was working for the PLAV, but apparently they heard about you and East Timor, so no deal. Still looking.
Damn it, heavy weapon.
Firing on the helicopter! Back! Someone on the roof now, hold on! Enemy sighted!
Time to skydive. Ow, snipers! Really bad snipers.
Behind that structure! RPG carry! Down! Attack! Attack! Behind that building! Here's the mercenaries! Behind that structure! The enemy is here! Behind that building! Went behind that! Shoot! Take cover! Fire in the hole! Explosivo! Grenade! Behind that building! Behind that cover! That's me! They're behind that building! Behind that wall! They're behind that wall! Fire in the hole! Xilver! Went behind that! Shoot! Sink that ball! Firing on the ball! Again! Firing on the ball! Firing! Advancing! Behind that cover! Shoot! Shoot! Outgoing grenade!
Now it's allowed Carmona to send more troops.
The mercs behind that! Attack! Attack! Cover me! I'm going in! There's no one on the 50 cal! Hold on! Behind that
you do without me?
That's the last post. Just in time. The kidnappers have called Rubin. She's patching me in. Being unreasonable. We should meet and talk about this in person. Is there a coffee shop near you?
Mr. Solano made it clear, gringa. If you don't leave Venezuela, we will kill your man.
Please understand, I'm on the phone with our head office every 15 minutes, but these things take time. You know how it is.
Enough! We gave you the timetable. This is only the beginning. Leave our country or first this man, then others will die.
Yeah, I don't think they're buying it. They're gonna kill the executive in minutes if you can't find him first. Okay, I've got a fix on him. We only have a little time before they kill the exec.
So, Ewan was it? Ewan, what kind of deal do you have with the UP?
Well, you know, the pay's not much, but the benefits are great. And that Rubin bird's easy on the eyes, you know what I mean?
How do you like to come and work for my outfit? I need a helicopter pilot to deliver vehicles and ordnance in the field.
I don't know. I'm the type of fella that needs a lot of action, you know? You seem pretty low-key.
Yeah. Why don't you give me a ride back to the villa on the top? I can make you an offer.
That's fair. Let me know when you want me to pick you up.
Tag, you're in.
Tell you, man, it's real high.
Woo! Bumper cars.
Look, it's the mercenaries. What's happening around here? Enemy sighted! Take cover! The enemy is here! Enemy sighted! Enemy soldiers sighted! Enemy sighted! Enemy soldiers approaching! Solano's hiding, sure. He's blinded. Wait a minute, you hear? Enemy sighted! The enemy is here! Behind that building! Hey, Bert! Enemy sighted!
The truck is heavily armored on all sides. It can only be hijacked from the rear.
Relax, I'm the good guy, can't you tell?
Oh, thank God!
Well done! Now get him safely back to Universal Petroleum's modest, unobtrusive level.
The enemy's here! Enemy sighted!
Excuse me.
What's going on? We must leave for our lives!
Okay,
The enemy is here! I don't get paid enough for this! Get the hell out!
Okay. Thanks. Hey, you were great. I'll catch you later. I got a presentation to take.
attack!
All right, Irish. I'm all set here.
Brilliant! I'll swing right down.
What's happening around here?
Hop on in, and I'll bring up the nav map for you.
Back to screwing around.
All right, where to, boss?
All right, follow me. There's someone I want you to meet.
All right. I love meeting people.
Nice. Fair bit of scratch in this place, isn't there?
And you are?
I am intrigued. But me mum always called me Ewan.
Don't shoot him yet. We need a helicopter pilot.
That's me, miss. You must be his
my
support?
partner, Fiona.
Have you ever flown in a war zone before?
Well, not intentionally.
Then why should we bring you on?
Because I'm charming and clever and the best rotor man in Venezuela.
Come on, Fiona. Can we keep him?
We do need a helicopter pilot. Welcome aboard.